Michael, what are the key drivers for growing wealth management in Indonesia?
Well, in my view, I think the key wealth driver in Indonesia is starting from the quality of the human capital, because right now we have a lot of RMs which is not really qualified as they are expected to be, and therefore, in my view, to have a quality wealth managers, a competent wealth manager would be the most important thing in this moment. Besides that, we also need more variety of product and services. Yes, we do have a lot of products already in place, like the money market, and also product from mutual funds, and also from unit links. But I think the client need more than just the traditional and the conventional product. I think they need more something like the alternative investment products, and also other services such as trust. Yeah, that is something that we don't have here in Indonesia. We also need to have more contacts with the specialists. I think this is something that to me is very important too, because you cannot be a Superman. You cannot be knowing everybody. You have to have some team, some people, some contacts that are very specialists in their field. So I think to have a network and contact would be very, very good and very important. Yes, and on top of that, I think the CRM platform also would be very important. Nowadays, it's a digital era. So in order to expedite, to increase the quality of service, I think we need also to have a good and decent CRM platform.
Where are the biggest opportunities and challenges?
The biggest opportunity and challenges in Indonesia wealth management, I think, again, number one, in the talent people. We still have very few RMs or those who call to be the wealth managers who are really very talented, who are really very competent in their field. I think this is one big challenge. And also the product. Yeah, we don't have so many products right now. Even though in terms of service, I think Indonesia Wealth Management have offered a lot of services to the client, so no issue on that. But the product, I think, need to be added more. And also the market education, it's going to be very challenging right now, because the financial literacy of the people is still less than 50%, especially in capital market. I think the financial literacy is less than even 7%. So we need to educate the customer, we need to educate the clients. And in line with this, we are currently working together with the Financial Services Authority to do this national campaign called Financial Literacy. This is one way to improve the industry and increase also the penetration and the productivity of in financial services industry.
What is the potential for Indonesia to develop into a regional wealth management hub?
I think Indonesia has more than 250,000 people, and we currently we have approximately 45 to 50 million people who are in the middle class, and within 15 years from now, this 50 million will triple up to 150 million. So this is going to be a huge market for the middle class segment, a big and huge market for the emerging clients or the mass affluent clients. So this is going to be very interesting, because when there's a huge market, it's really a very good opportunity for the industry and for a good opportunity for the country to develop and to be strong in the industry. So I think from the market segment, we have the potential. From the income per capita growth or economic growth, we are currently growing around 5%. With the new government, they have projected that we will have at least 7% the economic growth. By saying that, it means we are going to have more wealthy people in the years to come. So this is the opportunity that we can penetrate in Indonesia market.
Michael, as Indonesia's significance in the wealth management market continues to increase, how can regulators best facilitate the industry's further development as a center of excellence?
In my view, I think what the regulators can do, number one, is to harmonize the regulations. Right now, we are lucky that we have a super regulatory body called the Financial Services Authority. So this is a one big step already. But the next step is try to also to support the players, means the wealth managers. So in my view, it would be better if they can have, or we can have, a Financial Services Act in the future that can regulate and set the code of conduct of all the independent financial advisors. And also this financial advisor can really become legitimately exist in Indonesia. And also, let's say from mutual fund point of view or from insurance point of view, right now we don't have a composite insurance. So it would be good if you can have that kind of regulation, whereby Indonesia can have regulation on the composite insurance. And also the agents, the advisors can represent not only one particular providers, but they can represent 2 or 3 or even 4 or 5 providers. So right now it's still limited up to one company only. So in order to expand, in order to penetrate more market, I think the advisors, the individuals, the wealth manager need to have this access. Yeah, so that's very important. And also from mutual fund point of view, right now the mutual fund can only be sold through the banking channel. I think it will be great if the government or the regulators also can allow this product can be also sold officially through a retail or through independent financial advisors. Yeah. By allowing this distribution, you can penetrate more market. Yeah. Right now, it's only through banking, or you can set up your own distribution channel in the asset management company. But what I mean is not only in the asset management company, the people is also the one that can sell is also those who are independent. Yeah, so they are not tied to any companies. So this, by having this regulation, I think this will improve or will have big impact to the penetration of the unit-linked and mutual fund products in Indonesia.
How can Indonesian firms best service their clients that are looking to invest in overseas markets?
Collaboration with the international players or global players, setting up a strategic alliance. Because if you want to set up your own organization or your own distribution channel, I think that would be costly. Yeah? The best way is try to collaborate with the existing global players. Because that is, to me, it's inevitable. People, sooner or later, especially the rich people, the wealthy people, they will look for other product which is not sold or which is not available in Indonesia. So certainly, I believe that one day they will look for other alternative which is available in the overseas market.
What hurdles might the local market face?
To me, it's the political instability that is very important. Well, we are very happy to see and witness that the election, have been done in a peaceful manners, and we already have and elected a new president. I think this is a very good indications that our situation is very good politically. But if these things didn't work out well, then it will be difficult for us to develop the wealth management in industry in Indonesia. So we are happy that there's no such thing happen in Indonesia.